In today's video, I'll be doing a video about ChatGPT. So I have ChatGPT running right now. You could um, you could test it out too by going to OpenAI's website in here. Product, select ChatGPT. You could get an account here and you could test it out, like how I'm testing it out right now. Yeah, so there's a lot of talk about ChatGPT, which is gonna disrupt the labor market. But it's not 100% accurate. I'll demonstrate right now. You could type in whatever you want in this prompt and it's going to give you a response. Okay, lists. So right now it's just generating a response of all the games that were made in 1990. I want to see if that's accurate. I know that's not made in 1990. I think that's 87. Xanadu is 87. I'm going to check that out. See, 1987. Super Mario 3. Let's see. Okay, 1990. That one's right. Goggle 13. 1988. Okay, that's not right. It's not perfect. Castlevania. 1989 for this one, so not completely accurate. This is a lot better than searching stuff on Google because you actually get most of the answers that you want here, even though it's not 100% accurate. And this would probably be true for writing algorithms and computer programs. Um, you're gonna have to do a lot of stuff to get the program to run because I don't think it's gonna get it right the first time. You're gonna have to go in there and debug and change some stuff to make it perfect. But this does save a lot of time. If I had to do this individually, this would take a longer time. Let's see. See what Google comes up with. This is a lot more accurate. Google is. Compared to ChatGPT, this, because it's not 100% accurate here. Some of the stuff here wasn't from 1990. That's for the NES, 1988. So that's not right. Uh, that was 1987. That was 1987. I don't know about this. 1987. Yes. 1987. Right. Lethal Weapon was 1987. Let's see if that's right. 87. I know this was 87. That was pretty accurate this time, wasn't it? Wow, the thing even wrote a bash script. I'm impressed here. It even used for loop. Wow, amazing. This AI is amazing. It is a little bit inaccurate, but it does with a little bit more improvement. I'm sure this could become really, really, really a powerful tool. If you're a computer programmer or a software developer, you could save a lot of time using something like this. Maybe in the software development department, they will not need as many people. Instead of having, let's say, 50 people work there, they could just have 10 people work there or something like that. And maybe in a office setting or something, because mostly what an office manager does is tell people what to do. That's what they do. They could tell ChatGPT what to do instead of having all these people telling them what to do. Let's see. Wow, that is really, really amazing. Let's try another chat. Let's see if we get the search that we actually wanted. George Peppard. I know he's the one who played Hannibal from 18. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Died. He even tells you exactly when he died. I mean, I think this is a hell of a lot better than Google. This is this isn't really AI. What it does, what it's using is it's using keywords in a database to find the response that you want. You can't really call this AI, but this is still very impressive. This is what I wanted to share with you. Well, let's talk about the implications of this in the future. If this is employed in mass, maybe there in the future, OpenAI is going to probably start charging for this stuff. You're going to have a subscription fee. I'm sure this is just like a test run or a beta to just make the product more perfect, so they could develop it better, so it could be used for commercial purposes. And it will be used for commercial purposes. But I think this thing is probably going to cause a lot of jobs to go away. It's undoubtable. It will cause a lot of jobs to be replaced. Well, the humans are still going to be at the company, or companies that employ this thing. But you're not going to need as many people, right? So let's say if I was a small business owner or something, I won't need all the staff. I could just use ChatGPT to get what I want done, right? And for bigger businesses like major corporations and stuff like that, I know they're going to employ this. There's no doubt they're going to employ this. I mean, they will try to save every penny they can, and they will try to increase their profitability any way they can. This is a capitalist economy, folks. This is not whatever benefits that result from technology is going into the pockets of capitalist enterprises. That's the sad truth. And that's what's going to happen in the future. A lot of jobs are going to be replaced. But I'm sure a lot of jobs can be created too. So if you want to go into business for yourself, I guess you could use ChatGPT in the future to do stuff. Since one person could get more done than a team of people now. But you do have to know something about what you're inputting into the prompt. So if you're an engineer or something, you have to know something about engineering. If you're a software developer, you do have to know something about the programming language that you're dealing with. You do have to know that, right? You just can't be some layman and tell the ChatGPT what to do, because you have to know what to ask ChatGPT, right? Or if you're a marketing person, you have to know what to ask ChatGPT as well, or any other type of profession. But one thing ChatGPT probably won't be able to do is be a plumber, can't be a roofer, it can't be a carpenter. It's just going to be able to do a lot of redundant, repetitive tasks in the office environment. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. And if you have any thoughts, you could leave in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.